Every April 7th, nature enthusiasts and wildlife conservationists come together to celebrate International Beaver Day, a day dedicated to appreciating one of nature's most industrious and ecological engineers, the beaver. This event highlights the significance of beavers in maintaining healthy ecosystems and encourages efforts to preserve their habitats. Beavers are remarkable creatures known for their ability to transform landscapes. Their unique skill in building dams and lodges alters water flow, creating wetlands that serve as vital habitats for a myriad of species. These wetlands not only support biodiversity, but also improve water quality by filtering sediments and pollutants. Furthermore, beaver activities can help mitigate the impacts of drought and climate change by maintaining water levels in their habitats. International Beaver Day serves as a platform to raise awareness about the ecological importance of beavers and the challenges they face. As human activities encroach on natural habitats, beavers often find themselves in conflict with land development and agriculture. Conservationists use this day to advocate for strategies that balance human needs with environmental preservation, such as promoting beaver-friendly land management practices. Organizations around the globe host events ranging from educational workshops to guided nature walks, allowing participants to learn more about beaver ecology and the benefits they bring to wildlife and humans alike. These activities aim to foster a deeper understanding and appreciation for beavers, encouraging communities to support conservation efforts. Several conservation projects have demonstrated success in integrating beaver populations into ecosystem management, highlighting their positive impact on biodiversity. In places like the United States and Europe, reintroduction programs have shown promising results, with beavers helping to restore degraded landscapes and improve water management. Individuals can celebrate International Beaver Day by engaging in a variety of activities. Whether it's volunteering at local wildlife organizations, participating in educational events, or simply sharing information about beavers on social media, every effort contributes to raising awareness about the importance of these animals. Additionally, supporting policies and initiatives that protect beaver habitats can make a significant difference. Advocating for sustainable land use practices and collaborating with local wildlife agencies are effective ways to ensure that beavers continue to thrive in their natural environments. International Beaver Day is more than just a celebration. It's an opportunity to recognize the vital role beavers play in our ecosystems and to commit to their conservation. By working together, we can ensure that future generations will continue to benefit from the invaluable contributions of these remarkable creatures.